Welcome to my channel Hunger the Healthy Hunt. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Today let me show you how to make simple New Year decoration hangings out of available color papers. All that you need is 3 color sheets, 2 of same color and 1 of different color. I have taken a smaller size of 10 into 10 inches. You can even take a bigger one if required. Single punch for decoration. If not, you can even use scissors to put holes, not a problem. And this is a pencil, scale, scissor and a glue. Now take one paper. Now take this paper which you have of same colors, 2 papers of same colors, and fold it like this in the cross, and then again fold it like this. So here, this way and this way, and then you have to draw lines like this in this side. Now I am going to use single punch to make holes. See, this is the way. You can make little holes so that if you unfold it, it will become a bigger one, because this is the middle portion. If you unfold it, it will be like this. So after that, you have to use scissors to cut till here. I'll show you. You should not cut fully, only till the line we have drawn. Now I have cut all the lines. And open it like this. Now you have to paste this end where you have used punching machine, this end like this. Apply glue here and paste it. And take this end, apply glue here, see, I am bringing it like this, fold it like this, and again on the other side the same way. You have to bring it like this and paste. So this look like this after pasting. So you have to make one more like this. Now to make the middle piece, take this paper and again fold it in the middle. Make one more fold. Now you have to draw lines in the opposite side. There is a small difference here. See, this way you have to draw lines, and I am going to make holes this way. If you see my previous hanging scene, you can find that I have punched it over there, but here I am going to punch it over here to make a different design. Again you have to make a smaller one, smaller punch, not a bigger one. So if you unfold it, you will have that like this. If you don't have a punching machine, you can also use scissors to make just a diamond shape. Okay, like this. So now I am going to cut this way all the lines. Be careful you do not cut the whole paper. So after cutting all the lines, it will look like this. And fold it. It will look like this. Now we are going to paste each and every slit. See here, take the first set and paste these two together. Use a little glue at the end so that the paper does not become sticky. So I have just stuck the middle portion. Now leave one line and take the next one. So watch carefully. I have pasted the middle one. Leave this and paste this one. The same way the other side. Leave one and paste the other one. Now again leave the next one and take the upcoming one. So alternatively you have to stick like this, because we are going to stick the leftovers in the other side. That is why I am leaving one side and sticking it. Now I have stuck alternative leaves, so it looks like this. So I am going to turn upside down and paste this. This middle piece is done now. It looks like this. So I'm going to stick the first two pieces. So you have to paste it like this. Now your wall hanging is ready. So you can connect it using a thread and hang it. Both the pieces using a thread, and you can hang it like this. You can make a lot more pieces like this and decorate your home for this new year in a bright and attractive way. This is really simple to do, and you can easily show it to your friends saying you have done this homemade. Do this and enjoy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for more such videos.